We've got some fresh images of 3I Atlas, a third ever interstellar object observed from Earth, currently racing through our solar system.
The universe has a way of surprising us, but the latest news about 3I Atlas is more than a surprise. It's a complete game changer. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're getting an up-close look at this interstellar traveler, and it's not what we expected. The data is pouring in, and each new piece of information only deepens the mystery. We're seeing a celestial object that is acting in ways that are not supposed to be possible. This is a story of discovery, of mystery, and of the incredible power of human curiosity. The Interstellar Intruder. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye on the cosmos, has been making headlines with its stunning images of distant galaxies and nebulae. But what many people don't know is that it's also been keeping a close watch on a visitor to our own solar system, an object that has the potential to change everything we thought we knew about the universe. This object is 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever detected, and it's turning out to be a complete and utter mystery. To put it mildly, this isn't your average space rock. You see, most comets are predictable. They're made of ice and dust, and as they get closer to the sun, the ice turns to gas, creating a beautiful tail. But not all things are what they seem. 3I Atlas is different. For starters, it's big, really big. Initial estimates put its size at around 7 miles wide, making it the largest interstellar object we've ever seen. To give you some perspective, that's about the size of the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. But its size is just the beginning of the mystery. The thing nobody tells you is that 3I Atlas is also incredibly active, far more active than a comet of its size should be. It's spewing out gas and dust at an alarming rate, creating a coma or atmosphere that's larger than the planet Jupiter. And the composition of that gas is where things get really weird. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected an unusually high amount of carbon dioxide, far more than any other comet we've ever studied. This suggests that 3I Atlas formed in a very different environment than our own solar system, a place where carbon dioxide was more abundant than water. But the real kicker is the presence of something else in the comet's coma: nickel. Now, nickel isn't unusual in comets, but it's almost always found alongside iron. In fact, for every 1 part nickel, you'd expect to find about 15 parts iron. But in 3I Atlas, the ratio is completely skewed. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected strong signals of nickel, but virtually no iron. This has left scientists scratching their heads. Where did all the iron go? And what could create an object with such a strange chemical makeup? Many people are crazy about the possibilities. What many overlooked is that the mysteries don't stop there. 3I Atlas is also moving in a very strange way. It's accelerating, but not in a way that can be explained by the sun's gravity or the outgassing of its own material. It's as if something is pushing it, giving it an extra boost of speed. And to top it all off, the comet is also blinking. Every 7.2 hours, it gets significantly brighter, like a lighthouse in the depths of space. This regular, predictable pulse is unlike anything we've ever seen from a natural object. What could be causing all of these strange phenomena? Is 3I Atlas just a very unusual comet, or could it be something more? Some scientists have speculated that it could be a fragment of an exoplanet, a piece of a world from another solar system that was torn apart and sent hurtling through space. Others have even suggested that it could be a piece of alien technology, a probe sent to explore our solar system. While this is a very speculative idea, the strange behavior of 3I Atlas has forced us to consider all possibilities, no matter how outlandish they may seem. The truth is, we just don't know. But one thing is for sure, 3I Atlas is a messenger from another world, and it's carrying a message that we're only just beginning to decipher. What if the message isn't for us, a sign of life? The data from the James Webb Space Telescope has been a goldmine for scientists studying 3I Atlas. But as we get more and more information, the mystery only seems to deepen. The strange chemical composition, the unexpected acceleration, and the regular pulsing of light all point to one conclusion: this is not a normal comet. To put it mildly, it's an anomaly, few and far between. Let's start with the chemical composition. The high levels of carbon dioxide and the lack of iron are not just unusual, they're unprecedented. There is no known natural process that could create an object with this kind of makeup. It's as if it was assembled from a different set of building blocks than everything else in the universe. Then there's the acceleration. The extra push that 3I Atlas is getting is not a small one. It's a significant, measurable force that is altering its trajectory through our solar system. Scientists have tried to explain it as the result of outgassing, the process of ice turning to gas and creating a rocket-like effect. But the amount of outgassing required to produce the observed acceleration is far greater than what the comet is actually producing. It's like a car that's going faster than its engine should be able to push it. And finally, there's the pulsing. The regular 7.2-hour cycle of brightening is perhaps the most baffling aspect of 3I Atlas. Natural objects in space don't just blink on and off like a light switch. They might tumble and rotate, causing their brightness to change, but not in such a precise and predictable way. The only way to explain this kind of regular pulsing is if the object has a very specific shape, like a flat reflective sheet, or if something is intentionally controlling its brightness. Many people are crazy about the idea that this could be a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence, and while it's important to remain skeptical, the evidence is becoming harder and harder to ignore. What if 3I Atlas is not a natural object at all? What if it's a piece of alien technology, a probe sent to explore our solar system? This would explain the strange chemical composition, the unusual acceleration, and the regular pulsing. It's a tantalizing possibility and one that is being taken more and more seriously by some in the scientific community. The thing nobody tells you is that this isn't the first time we've seen a strange object from interstellar space. A few years ago, another object named Oumuamua passed through our solar system. It was long and thin, almost like a cosmic needle, and it also accelerated in a way that couldn't be explained by natural forces. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb famously suggested it could be a light sail, a thin sheet of material pushed by the sun's radiation. It tumbled through space, its brightness changing wildly, suggesting a flat, reflective surface. At the time, the idea that it could be an alien artifact was dismissed by many as science fiction. But now, with the arrival of 3I Atlas, the idea is starting to look a little less far-fetched. To put it mildly, one anomaly is a curiosity, but two is a pattern. Before 2017, we had never detected a single object from another star system. Now, in just a few short years, two have appeared, and both have broken the known rules of physics. It forces us to ask, is this just a cosmic coincidence, or are we being watched? Are these objects related? Perhaps they are scouts sent from the same origin point to survey our system, taking notes on our planet, our sun, and our technology. What many overlooked is that if 3I Atlas is a piece of alien technology, it raises a whole host of new questions. Who sent it? What is its purpose? And what does it mean for humanity? Are we on the verge of making first contact, or is this something more sinister? A probe is one thing, but what if it's a delivery system? But what if the call is a warning, a universe of possibilities? The arrival of 3I Atlas in our solar system is more than just a scientific curiosity, it's a profound moment in human history. For the first time, we are faced with the very real possibility that we are not alone in the universe. The data from the James Webb Space Telescope has opened a Pandora's box of questions and possibilities, and the answers could change everything we know about ourselves and our place in the cosmos. To put it mildly, we are living in a science fiction movie. The idea of alien life has been a staple of our stories and dreams for centuries, but it has always been just that, a story. Now we are faced with a tangible object, a messenger from another world that is forcing us to confront the possibility that those stories might be true. And that is a very humbling and frankly a little scary thought. You see, the implications of 3I Atlas being an alien artifact are staggering. It would mean that there is intelligent life out there and that they have the technology to travel between the stars. It would mean that we are not the only ones asking the big questions about the universe. And it would mean that we are part of a much larger and much older cosmic community. Many people are crazy about the idea of what this could mean for our future. But let's take this a step further into the unknown. What if 3I Atlas isn't just a simple probe? What if it's something far more complex, a self-replicating machine known as a von Neumann probe? This is a theoretical machine designed to travel to distant star systems, find raw materials, and build copies of itself. The thing is, this would explain almost everything that's so bizarre about Atlas. The strange chemical signature. It could be the probe's waste material, the exhaust from its internal factory. The outgassing and acceleration, that might not be a natural process at all, but the venting of a propulsion system or the byproduct of its replication cycle. It might not just be visiting, it could be building something. This brings up an even more chilling possibility, one tied to a concept known as the Great Filter. The Great Filter is a theory that tries to explain why we haven't found any evidence of alien life. It suggests that there is some kind of wall or filter that most civilizations hit and are unable to pass. It could be nuclear war, climate collapse, or a technological disaster. What if 3I Atlas is a relic from a civilization that failed to pass its filter? It could be the last remnant of a great culture, a silent, automated tombstone sent out into the void as a final act. Its message, then, wouldn't be a greeting but a warning. This is what happens when you get it wrong. The thing nobody tells you is that this discovery also comes with a great deal of responsibility. If we are on the verge of making contact with an alien civilization, we need to be prepared. We need to think about how we will react, what we will say, and how we will represent our species. But if these wilder theories are true, our responsibility might be something else entirely. If Atlas is a warning, our job is to listen. If it's a self-replicating machine, maybe our job is to stay hidden. This is not a decision that can be made by a small group of scientists or politicians. It is a decision that will affect all of humanity. What many overlooked is that the search for answers about 3I Atlas is just beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope will continue to observe the object as it makes its way through our solar system, and other telescopes around the world will be joining the effort. Scientists will be analyzing the data, running simulations, and debating the possibilities. It will be a long and challenging process, but it is a process that is essential to our understanding of the universe. The people watching this are looking for a mystery, a puzzle to solve. And 3I Atlas is the ultimate puzzle. It is a mystery that is unfolding right before our eyes, a story that is being written in real time. We are all participants in this story, and we all have a role to play. The dawn of a new era is upon us, an era of cosmic discovery and of a universe of possibilities. The question is, are we ready for it? Are we prepared to face the answers that we might find? The thing is, we may not have a choice. The universe is knocking on our door, and it's time to answer. The mysteries of 3I Atlas are just beginning to unfold. Is it a natural wonder or a sign of something more? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.